4xOVERLAND in Australia, a program where I assist errant overlanders to build their dream overlander. It started with a 76 wagon, then quickly progressed onto my speciality, troop carriers. Between 2019 and 22, I built 6 of them. My clients live all over the world. They'd get me to build their tour here in Australia, and if overseas, they'd come back once or twice a year and go touring in Australia. It's very nice driving a brand new smelly car out of a showroom. This is almost as exciting as the one that I did 2.5 years ago for myself. The biggest shortcoming with Autograph is that I really can't help very many people. So I had an idea. What if I gathered my crew together? Of course, there's Paul Marsh, and there's John, and there's Heiner, and there's Rob, and many others, in a program that will give you access to their genius. And that is why I came up with the idea of the 4xOVERLAND experience. Now, if you are somebody that is just crazy about four-wheel drives like I am, planning a build, thinking about changing your vehicle completely, redoing all of the electrics or the plumbing or the suspension, or simply planning a very ambitious trip, how would you like to be able to communicate with me on a monthly basis? But not just me, the team behind the Autograph Overland builds. Being part of the experience means a one-on-one Zoom call with me to begin the build process or fix any current roadblocks that you might be experiencing with your overlanding journey.
Hello? Hello?
If you are building or starting a build, there's a good chance you're going to save so much money. Every build that I have consulted on, I can tell you now, I have saved those people thousands of dollars. And they've admitted to me that they wouldn't have done it that way. They wouldn't have thought about things in that way. And I've stopped them making, for me, would have been obvious mistakes. And access to an exclusive community that are all sharing similar experiences alongside you. Private participation in an online community portal where you can ask questions and share photos of your build. In other words, a direct line of communication with me and my team of experts. Not only am I offering this, but you'll be part of an awesome community, all doing the same thing that you're doing. To make this work, we've had to limit the number of people who can sign up at any one time to 30. The first 10 of those 30, you're going to be sent a gift. And it's a product that I absolutely love. Announcement soon, but you're going to be, and everybody needs one of these things. I'm going to send you this is my favorite, one of my favorite products. No matter where in the world you are, we'll send it from Australia. There is a wait list, so if you want to be one of those 30, you're going to have to sign up now. The details on the website now. Don't wait, as I said, just a maximum 30. If you look at the link in the description, you'll find an application to go onto the wait list, and those people on the wait list will be the first to get an email saying the option is now open, and the first 30, once the 30 is filled, that'll be it for the year.